Good morning, welcome to Spy Money. Let's talk about the coaster bot this morning. Again, we run it on 2 contracts on ES. These are the new settings that I developed in the last week or so, and it's working really well. It hits the goal every day. Yesterday we hit it twice. I have a PNL set at, oops, wrong one. Let's see, right there's a PNL, $500 or lose $600. That allows either lose 2 winning trades in a row with no winners, or that's going to be 2 winners. So if you had a winner and a loser, that would be back to 0 and it would just keep on counting. But what we're looking to do is just pass these eval accounts and so forth, and help you with your PA accounts. And that's why I made this strategy. A lot of people were wanting that, just something simple, low drawdown, and to help them get through making the money that they need. So I turned it on, I guess it was about 7:45 or so, and it picked up this trade, and it was done. Now, there's other trades in here that it could have got and made money on. I mean, there's a trade here, a trade there. This one it would have missed. Would have got this one, missed. Would have got that, missed, and there's another winner. There's a loser, and right here would be a winner, and this one right here would be a winner. And so just off of those, I mean, there's plenty of winners. Sure, there's going to be some losers, but for the most part, you have the winners. You only need 2 winners, 2 net winners, I'll say it that way, 2 net winners to hit your $500 goal. This went a little over 500, which is fine. Sometimes it's a little under, sometimes a little over, but that's all we're looking for. Hit our 50% goal and be done. So this bot shut itself off, and I was sitting here watching it as it happened, because that's what we should do. And you can pass these Apex Challenge evals real easy. Once you get those passed, you can also do your PAs and just run it the same way. Just keep on going. So a lot of people have asked, do I have PAs? And I went ahead and started some up, and I use them on the Quantower. It's what I'm using them on. I'm not using them on the NinjaTrader. So we were actually making everything work on Quantower, and once we get it over there and get set up, then you will also get the products that we have, the Spy Money products, put over on that. So just to give you an idea, these are the 5 Apex accounts that I have, and this is today's PNL. I've traded them 2 days now. These are my actual account balances on them, and it's working actually really well. I've had trouble with NinjaTrader with their API and so forth, having ghost orders and such. I have not had that trouble with the Quantower, and it seems to be working real well. Yesterday I tried on the NinjaTrader. I did 1 trade and it messed up, and it turned out it was a rhythmic problem, and it was on evaluation accounts at that, and it messed them up. They ended up resetting them, so I've got to trade those back so I can have 10 Apex PA accounts. That's my goal. So if I get 10, and my goal is to make about $1,000 a day, and if I can do that, then that's, right now it's $5,000 a day. I've done it 2 days in a row. So that puts me about $10,000 or so, give or take. You figure $2,000 on each one of these, a little more on them and a little less on this. So it's about $10,000 in profits that's owed to me right now. I think it's 8 days. I'm reading their new rules that they have, and I think you get paid every 8 days. So once you on the 9th day, you can request, and then I think it starts from that day forward. So it's like every 9 days that you can request, I think, if I'm understanding. And that's trading days. So it's like 2 weeks, about every 2 weeks that you're able to request money. So if you can get that and make $5,000 a day, and so that's $25,000 a week, $50,000 every 2 weeks, and $100,000 a month. So the $1.2 million a year if you can continue with the 1,000. I can make a lot more than this, but their consistency rule stops me from trading so I'm not able to keep on trading it. I could easily make more money than that. And the only thing I'm doing is trading 1 to 2 contracts. I'm not trading anything huge. I'm just 1 to 2 contracts and keeping it small. I know that your drawdown cannot be more than 30% of the 2,500, so you're looking at $750 drawdown per trade. My drawdown is no more than $300 per trade. So I never, if I have a loser, the max I'm going to lose is $300. So that's how I do that. And it's actually working really well. So I just wanted to give you all an update on where we are with everything. And then how do you get started in this? It's actually pretty easy to get started. And the only thing you want to do is you'll go to SpyMoneyLLC.com. When you go there, you go up to the top where it says Ninja Suite. Click on that, and it's going to play a little video for you. And this video is going to explain what the Ninja Suite is. And what it amounts to is, if you scroll down, you'll see that we have bots and indicators. Now, the bots will change periodically. I don't think I'll ever get rid of Coaster because Coaster is just the best one. I did release one yesterday called Loco, and it actually does a pretty good job. I think Coaster does better, but Loco is it has its place as well, and it seems to do okay. Again, Coaster's our main bot. That's the one I like. I'm always trying to either improve it or make a better one. I'm always looking for something better because you can't be complacent in this business. You got to keep on evolving with the market because the market changes. So these are our bots that we're currently using. Here's some indicators. We have drawing tools, add-ons. Here's some frequently asked questions. Read through this first. Your question is probably answered in here. If not, send me a contact and I will do my best to answer your question. You can also go to, well, actually, before we go there, to join, there is no link on the website. You have to agree to these terms. Now, the reason I do it is to make sure that you understand what you're getting into. If you read these and you agree to them, just copy them, and you left click, drag over, highlight them, then right click and copy, and then you go up to the contact us. When you go up there, you're going to go ahead and paste it in the comment section. But you have to put in your first name, last name, email, and phone number. I don't spam you or anything like that, but I have to know who you are. Once you get in here, paste it, and send that to me. Once I get this, then if you are approved, then I'll send you a link to join. Not everybody is approved, so just to make sure you know that. If you don't get a link, I at least explain why. And we are going to be closing our lease pretty soon, so it may be that. It may be that we're full by the time you do this. So just go ahead and put your information in there, and we'll go from there. Funded accounts, the best thing you can do right now, in my opinion, I think Apex is your best case or best prop account, mainly because you have that many accounts. Now, I run it on Quantower, and it's actually running really well. I have people in the Discord that are still running on NinjaTrader, and they're watching it, and they're doing well as well with this. I have one person that makes between $3,000 and $4,000 a day running his Apex accounts. We have a new coupon code. It's SpyMoney, real easy. So once you click on this here and you go ahead and sign up, when you go to pay for it, put in the coupon code SpyMoney. They give me a little payment on that whenever everybody signs up. I appreciate doing it. If you have any questions about it, just let me know. And we're an affiliate with them. We're an affiliate with all 4 of these. But all 4 of them do a good job. I think Apex, with being able to have as many accounts as they have, and it seems like they've got their issues taken care of, so everything seems to be working good. So that's who I would go with. They've always done good. Daryl's always been upfront about everything and done things the way that he should do. So I'll give him credit. Also, VPS, if you're interested in that, if you travel and want to trade from your phone or something, you can do that right here. Click on that. We are an affiliate with this company, and once you get signed up with them, then they'll take over and do you a good job. I use them, and it works out real well. But again, if you have any questions, let me know. Again, the Ninja Suite, just click up here at the top, and just scroll through here, read through everything. If you have any questions, just let me know, and we will get you taken care of at that point. And then just to go over this right here, where we are right now, yeah, this is just keeps on going up. And let's see here, we would have missed this trade here, but that's not to say that you can't get in the trade yourself. I mean, this one here we had, I mean, if you use just basic trading skills, you have a higher low, and then it goes up, and you got a blue background at this point. I probably would have went ahead and hopped in there. This would have been a very good trade. It looks like it's rebounding, so if you got in right there, all the way up to the top, just that one trade is 1762.50. So there's a lot of good trades in there. There is a trade here. You would have got your money right there. That would have been a winner. And there would have been a winner here. There's a winner there. There's a winner here. All kinds of winners. Right here's another winner. And this one would have been a good one if you got in and stayed in it. Let's just say you stayed to theirs. I mean, almost $800. So let me know if I can help you. Let's get you started today. Get you signed into the Discord and start learning. And usually someone that knows how to use NinjaTrader can get this up and running the same day and running the bot the same day. Once you run the bot on Sim a day or two, just to make sure you're understanding what to do, then most people go to live and they're fine. Any questions, let me know. Have a great day.